I decided today that I was tired of seeing that white front door, so it was time to change it. I would like to tell you that this is not what I look like most days, but I would be lying. This is real life, my friends. Kept coming back to this sage green color. I just thought it was so beautiful for this time of year. I told the kids if we got a wild hair, we change it again for Christmas. Watch how short-lived this help is. Cracks me up. Had to change out the hardware, was done with the gold. I ended up applying 4 coats of this paint. Probably overkill, but I wanted to make sure everything was nice and clean. I have tons more decorating to do, but I think it's a great start. That door definitely needed to be painted. I think it turned out beautiful.